Geoscience ANALYST Pro provides integrations with industry partner software such as ioGAS and Maxwell, along with our Python API. Geochemical analysis in ioGAS, such as categorizing alteration, can be visualized in real time, and interpretations can be saved as a new property in the analyst workspace. Wireline data and structural measurements can also be analyzed and visualized concurrently in both packages. Analyst's live link with Maxwell allows intuitive visualization for plate modeling, with the ability to send the modeled plates back to Maxwell for further analysis. Our open-source Python API extends these integration capabilities with any codebase to use Analyst as a visualization tool. Try these live links with Maxwell and ioGAS in Geoscience ANALYST Pro.